I often hear people say that they don't have time, or they're not tech savvy, or they don't know where to start. These are the exact excuses from people sitting on gold mines of knowledge that they could be selling right now. So imagine if you could bypass these roadblocks with cutting-edge AI technology that would allow you to turn your expertise into profit overnight. Because truth be told, AI tools have eliminated all of those obstacles. And in this video, I'll break down the exact framework that I've used to help complete beginners turn their expertise into sellable digital products in under 24 hours, even if you're not tech savvy and even if you have no audience. Now, just in case we haven't met, I'm marketing coach Anthony. I sold my first online course back in 2015, and since then I've created and sold well over 300 digital products over the past decade, and I've used every LMS, every video platform, and just about every AI tool that you can think of. So I know a thing or two about creating and selling digital products online. All right, so there's basically a 3-category AI framework that we'll go over in this video. And it's essentially your digital product creation assembly line when used correctly. And when I mentioned those 24 hours, I wasn't just throwing numbers around. I built what we call a digital product assembly line, a framework that uses just 3 specific categories of AI tools working together that can actually transform your expertise into a polished professional product in under 24 hours. And I'm about to show you exactly how it works. All right, first up are the AI content generators, all right? This is part 1. Now, these are tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek or Claude or whatever your chosen LLM is, because we're gonna need it to transform our rough ideas into a structured, comprehensive piece of content we can use in our next step. Let me show you exactly how this works. All right, now to make this process even easier, we're going to use one of our quick launch guides from our digital product lab. These quick launch guides are essentially a set of parameters that we're giving to ChatGPT to make sure that it carries out all of our instructions properly. It literally makes the entire process seamless because all you have to do is drag the quick launch guide over to ChatGPT and drop it and let it upload, and then you simply add the topic of the digital product that you want to create. And don't worry if you haven't picked up access to these quick launch guides yet. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get access. Now watch this part. I'm going to use this quick launch guide, input a basic topic like email marketing, and look what happens. In a matter of seconds, we're getting back a fully organized course outline with modules, lessons, and even suggested exercises. It's like having a content architect instantly blueprint your idea right in front of you. The quick launch guide provides structured guidance throughout the entire process, making sure that ChatGPT generates a tailored course outline that matches our exact style. It really is amazing. Now for part 2 of our assembly line is deciding on our delivery format. So with your content now structured, the next step is to give it a professional edge by discovering your delivery format design. So ask yourself, what delivery medium fits more directly with your particular teaching style and your comfortability? Is your superpower writing? If it is, then maybe you should stick to creating an ebook. Do you love to talk or communicate effectively by verbalizing? Then maybe an audio course could be your chosen teaching style for this digital product. Are you comfortable on camera? If so, then maybe you feel better firing up the lights and turning on the camera and filming a full video course. The options are always up to you, and don't feel like you just have to do one of these delivery mediums. We can switch them up. So using myself as an example, I generally choose video content because I've been creating content so long that video just simply feels natural to me. Plus, I can take that one video asset and I can strip the audio away from it and have an audiobook. And then I can transcribe that audio and turn that audio into an ebook if need be with a few small little tweaks. So video has proven to be the most repurposeful type of content for me in our business. But keep in mind that you don't have to do video because video isn't for everyone. You just simply choose the delivery medium that works best for you. All right, so part 3 of our assembly line, this is where we get down to the nitty-gritty, and that's our AI product builders in this category. Now, these are a set of specialized tools that take all of the content and visuals and automatically assemble all of them into a ready-to-sell product for you. They structure your content, making it accessible and engaging without you spending hours and hours on formatting and design. So now that we've used ChatGPT and our quick launch guide, we can take the content that it generated and we can add that to a platform like Scribble.Net. Now, Scribble.Net will allow you to choose from dozens of pre-made templates that will make the process easy for you. So literally all you have to do is choose a template and then copy and paste your content, and in a matter of minutes you have a complete ebook up and ready to present to the world. Now, they also have a new AI version that literally does everything for you from a single prompt, so it's definitely a solid choice when it comes to ebook creation. All right, so for those of you who chose audio, you still have a few options for software here. Now, some are dependent on whether or not you use a PC or a Mac, but there are others that are universal, like CapCut. CapCut is a video production powerhouse editing software that's loaded with a ton of free items and AI tools that anyone can use just by downloading the app. So all you have to do is download CapCut on any computer or any mobile device and create a free account to instantly get started. And from there, all you do is to launch the CapCut app and create a new project. Now, once you've created a new project, you can click on the voiceover icon. And now you can take the content that you just created with your quick start guide and ChatGPT and essentially just go bullet point by bullet point or paragraph by paragraph, and you can either read your script or discuss your chosen bullet points. And I really wouldn't worry too much about messing up here because CapCut is full of free AI tools that remove repetitive phrases, that remove dead silences and space from your videos in between your words, and that also cleans up your audio by removing background noise as well. It really is a video powerhouse. And truth be told, it really is all you need to build a robust and polished audiobook or an online audio course in under 24 hours. All right, so now let's move to our video options. Now, if you're comfortable being in front of a camera, then a talking head video is always a solid choice. Now, you don't need fancy equipment to do this. Literally, all you need to do is to take your smartphone that you likely have in your pocket. I use Apple products, so I would literally reach in my pocket and grab my iPhone. I would set it on a pile of books for support or a mobile tripod or a monopod, and I would hit the record button and start filming. It's literally that simple. And if you're concerned that you can't remember the words line for line, this is where a good mobile phone teleprompter comes in handy. We use the app Teleprompter. It's definitely a really good tool to use because it's always in your pocket and it goes wherever you go. Now, there's also Big View that we use and a few other teleprompter apps that work really well here in addition to Teleprompter and Big View. And a lot of these teleprompter apps nowadays have a lot of really good AI features like noise cancellation and automatic script development. Now, if you're not comfortable being on camera, you can also use an AI avatar or a digital twin of yourself. Nowadays, a lot of AI tools make these digital avatars readily available. So you can use a platform like PPO.ai that allows you to create professional videos without having to worry about professional microphones, cameras, or even a studio like we're in, because you can use their digital human replication AI magic. So essentially, you just take the content that we just created with our quick launch guide and with ChatGPT, and then you paste that directly into the chat box on Pipio's platform, and then choose the particular actor that you want to generate. The platform will then use AI to create a voiceover, turning your text into spoken words, and then sync those words directly to the lips of the actor of your choice.
Introduction to email marketing. Lay the foundation by understanding what email marketing is, its evolution, and why it remains an essential.
And once that process is complete, you can now download a full HD video, and your new AI avatar is now presenting your course material for you. Now, you're also able to tweak things like the voice or the accent and language for each of the avatars, or you can create a digital twin of yourself, and the platform will clone your voice and use your new digital twin to present your content as well. Now, if you're not looking to have a presenter on camera at all and you're comfortable just using slide decks, which are essentially PowerPoint presentations per se, then you can always look into tools like Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is a platform that allows you to take the content that you've already created or different blog posts or existing videos and turn them into captivating slide presentations. They have a ton of branded templates that you can select from, and they even use dynamic text and AI image generation to make the entire process seamless for you. And those are a few of your AI product builders being put to work for you. Using some of these recommended tools will literally streamline your content creation process and allow you to crank out digital products in under 24 hours. Listen, knowledge is power. The thirst for learning has fueled the rise of knowledge entrepreneurs. And now that you have this system in your hands, you're part of that revolution now. All of the barriers have fallen off. The excuses are gone. This is your moment, your opportunity even, to turn what you know into income. So are you ready to start your 24-hour success story? If so, drop a comment below and let me know what unique knowledge you'll be willing to share. Because truth be told, the world is waiting for what only you know.